bad. I miss you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. And you should know that I miss you so, so, so bad. Trade my soul for a witch, pennies and dimes for kids. I wasn't looking for this, now you're in mine. Yes, that was her, the rich and skittish show. I'm not with his blow, the thing you're going, baby. Yes, that was her, the rich and skittish show. I'm not with his blow, I just met you, this is crazy. Here's my number, so call me babe. It's hard to look right at you, babe. Here's my number, so call me babe. So number one, if it goes 0917. You took your time with the call. You took no time with the phone. You're getting nothing at all. You're still getting mine. I beg and borrow and steal. Half-all-side attitude. I didn't know I would feel it, but it's a mine. Yours, that was her. The rich, skinny show. I'm not heard of those. You're going baby. Yours, that was her. The rich, skinny show. I'm not heard of those. You're going baby.
Marky Show sa Twitter. Walang space. Saka Marky Space Show sa Facebook. Follow niyo ako, papalo ko din kayo.
Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so, so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. And you should know that I miss you so bad. This is great. Here's my number, so call me babe. And all the other girls they try to take. Here's my number, so call me babe. Call me on the line. Call me, baby, anytime. So call me babe. 0917. Ano yung next? 550. Patay si Jeff. 4307 for booking. Siya yung booking manager ko. So kapag gusto nyo ako i-book, tawagin nyo siya. Yun. My next song, kailangan ko ng ano. Kasi wala akong girlfriend ngayon. Maraming mahanap ako dito sa Tacloban. May gusto magtulong sa akin sa stage. Sige. Anong pangalan mo? Pauline. Ladies first. Sige. Okay. So, taga-Tacloban ka ba?
Oo.
Sayang, taga-Manila ako. Okay. Okay, ito yung song na sobrang close sa puso ko. Ayun. Maselo si Dara.
Sana magustuhan niyo yung song ko para sa'yo. At yes.